Achilles, the fastest runner in Greece, races a tortoise. The tortoise gets a 100-meter head start. Achilles is 10 times faster. Surely he'll win. Achilles and the tortoise. Why the fast loser logic loses. But Zeno argues otherwise. By the time Achilles reaches the tortoise's start, the tortoise has crawled 10 meters more. By the time Achilles covers those, the tortoise has crawled 1 more. Then 10 centimeters. Then 1. Then a millimeter. Each leg Achilles gets closer. But the tortoise is always somewhere ahead. If this loop has no end, Achilles never overtakes. Yet we know he does easily. What's wrong with the argument? The catch: never confuses infinitely many steps with infinite time. Each leg takes less and less time. 100 meters at speed 10 takes 10 seconds. The next 10 meters take 1. The next 1 meter takes 0. 1. Add them up: 10 plus 1 plus 0. 1 plus 0. 0 1 plus equals about 11. 111 seconds. Finite. Achilles passes. An infinite sequence of events can fit in finite time. Calculus turns infinitely many into a number, and the tortoise, finally, is overtaken.